preparing for the primary leaving examination, which is due this week, starting this week. On Friday, we are going to have the briefing of the candidates. That is Friday 31st. We shall have the candidates briefed from their schools by the various head teachers. We want to encourage the head teachers to take this as a serious activity and ensure that they actually do brief the candidates themselves. In the meantime, we are carrying out various preparation activities, and over the weekend, we were able to brief 150 monitors who are now doing their work countrywide. They are going on the various districts to brief various personnel whom we are going to be working with at the district level. And this includes the district invigilators, includes the scouts, as well as the security personnel who are going to support us in the supervision of the PLE examination. Previously, we had an engagement with all the district, municipal, and city inspectors of schools, and we were able to review the previous examinations and also come up with modalities on how best to conduct this year's examination. At PLE level, we have a total of 930 candidates who did register, and out of this, 47.7% are males, while 52.3% are females. This Friday, like I said, we are going to have the candidates being briefed by the head teachers, and we want to encourage the parents who are able to join the exercise. So please go to the schools where candidates are going to be sitting from. Go and encourage them, go and pray for them, but also you need to be aware of the actions that can lead to the cancellation of the results of the candidate. You need to be aware of the various briefing instructions being given to your learners. So parents, in case you can be able to make it, please get in touch with your school, get to know what time the briefing is going to be, and participate in the briefing as well to support the candidates. The board would like to caution against masqueraders. There are many masquerading out there to be having the authentic papers for PLE. You've seen some WhatsApp groups being formed, other social media engagements, and we are monitoring them together with police. However, members of the public, we want to caution you not to get involved in that kind of engagement. In case it comes to your phone, please do not forward it, because the moment you do that, you too will be culpable. So we want to caution the public and other members of the public and students not to get involved in any form of malpractice in terms of prior knowledge or in terms of trying to access anything purported to be a UNEP examination paper. As a board, we want to assure the public that nobody is going to access any of our papers. Our security is guaranteed. However, people who are masquerading are also still culpable.